You can configure two-factor authentication on almost anything these days, including SSH on your Linux server. This tutorial will show you how to configure two-factor authentication on your SSH server. First, update your packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Next, run sudo apt install libpam Google Authenticator. Then run Google Authenticator. Time-based tokens, yes. Then you will get a secret key. Do not show this to anyone. Then enter that code into your authentication app. I use Google Authenticator. Next, you will be prompted to enter the code from the app. Write down the one-time use codes. Enter Y to update the file. To allow multiple uses of the same token. Enter N and Y to enable rate limiting. Then open this file in a text editor and find include common auth. Under that line, add this command: auth required PAM Google Authenticator. Control X and Y to exit. Then open the SSH file and challenge response authentication. And use PAM. Control X and Y to exit the file and restart SSH. Now two-factor authentication should be configured with SSH. To test it, log out and log in. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and enable notifications so you will get notified when I upload a new video.